Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage recurring subscription products in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that I will show you is you want to go here into the products section. So click here, and from here you want to go add your products right here. And when you add your products right here, you don't have any subscription option right here. So that is the problem with this. You can't have a subscription based product right here in just the Shopify default settings right here or default functions right here. So what we can do in order for us to have a subscription based product is go here to the search menu and type in subscription. And once you do that, you would have this option right here, search for subscription in the Shopify App Store. And here we can see a lot of apps right here in the App Store. So you can use any of these apps right here to create your subscription based products. But you can choose which one right here is the right for you when you consider the aspects or maybe the factors that you need for your business. So it depends on your business, like for your budget or what you need right here. So feel free to explore the products right here so that you will know what is the best for you. But what I am going to show you right here as an example is this Appsol subscription right here. So as you can see, this is very famous. It has 2,197 reviews compared to the other ones, which only has hundreds of reviews right here. But this one has 1,000, 2,000 right here. So click on Appsol subscription. This is very famous, so you can be assured that this is a really great app for you to invest in because it has a lot of views and it has a very high rating right here. So to add this to your store, click on Add App. And from here, we're just gonna wait for it to load and click on Install App right here. And now let's go wait for it. It's currently loading just like this one. It's loading so slow because it's the first time that we are setting it up here in our store. And now here we are. And as you can see right here, we have the Appsol subscription. And now we're gonna update our payment gateway right here. So you'll need this. So update payment gateway. And from here, we're gonna need to update our payments right here. So from here, you can go and update it right here. But for now, we're just gonna go exit onboarding right here and go into dashboard right here. Go to dashboard. And from here, we can see the plans right here. So you can go for free, starter, business, and what you want. And remember that it has free trials right here. So you can also avail that if you want. So you would know which plan is the best for you. But for now, we'll just go for free right here because this is just an example. And now let's wait for it. And from here, we can actually go into the subscription right away. Right here, subscriptions. I'm going to show you this. And from here, you can see the subscriptions right here under subscriptions. And you will be able to see all the subscriptions that you have here on your store. And as you can see, ready to sell subscriptions, then you can click here so you can start setting it up. Or you can click here on create manual subscription so that you can just go and create your own subscription right here. For example, you have the plan type, pay as you go right here. And you have a lot of things right here, but as you can see, you need to upgrade this to unlock this feature right here. So yeah, you would really need to invest right here if you don't want to be limited in features just by the free plan. And yeah, that is it for the Appsol app right here. This is how you do it. And if you have any more questions, you can just go and explore right here, or you can have this FAQs right here, or you can contact the customer support right here. And if you're using other apps, then that might be subjective. You might have different things to do right here in the app compared to Appsol right here. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.